So, hello everyone, and welcome to this live new session. Okay, start a bit. The market is starting. I want to make sure that everything is live, our YouTube live stream. Okay. Okay, so here we can see like the DJ after 1 minute. Let's see this close. It will be interesting if we had this close. I was preparing this before we start this live session. So let's see if GJ is in, because now if it closes here at this level and it opened, do a shadow and then move down so we can sell like we have 10 pips. Let's see. At the same time, the US 30, we still have like 1 minute, 30 seconds before the US open. The US open. It will be interesting. I think it will be an interesting open. I'm here in a small trade in euro dollar. Now it's so far making profits. Let's see here. Okay. So a new candle. GJ has opened. Let's see how far we can go down with this. So wait. US 30 moving up. We need a bit. Please, whoever have his mic open, mute it, please. Yeah, I will. US 30 moving up. GJ making this candle, so we must be aware if it keeps moving down. US 30. Mainly no, if it breaks like here, I won't be buying US 30 at this level. So we'll rate mainly the move. I think here breaking this level, which is 151.50 for GJ, will be interesting, knowing that we have like 51.44. This level might be critical. Let's see. This is the real support at this level. Gold. Gold, by the way, made the move down to this support. So fresh analysis on this. Look, made fresh move down to this support level. Exactly. It made a reversal at 30-minute 1678. Moved up. After all this move down, it was a very good sniper entry at 1679. Now it's moving back up. Actually, GJ has many support levels here, which make our trade risky. Which will make our trade risky. Like this level. So our trade, if we take this trade, ooh, what? Oh, this was fast. Like I feel like this trade will hit the target 151.37. What I would look, I would prefer like to break this level. It will be much or more clean to go down from this level. This is as a range is better. This here we have small range, which is not really like what we need. But I think like we will keep moving down. Most probably GJ will keep moving down to this level, but better, like a better confirmation is to have it on the bottom. Dow. Dow Jones. Let's see. Let's see. Dow, we can start buying at this level. For me, not here. This is risky. Of course, we could buy at this level, but it's risky. Can start buying at these two levels. 33, 060, 33, 030. Look, this is what I was afraid about from GJ because mainly we understand how it works at some point, of course, nothing like 100%. But as you can see here, like it hit almost this support level and it's making a pullback. This support level was a good one to start our first scalp, but the range was too small. So I prefer to wait because look, we have like here we have like flag. Let's check this. Let's check this here. If we take this like a rectangle, we can see like a flag at this point, and this flag we can have like a target here, which is also a support line. So my first buy, if the market keeps moving down, it will be at 33,060, knowing that it's not the ultimate entry. So I will go into half lot, and then the second one, full lot, I will get a full lot at 33,035. This is mainly the way I will start trading Dow today. Okay, the US 30. Okay, and this is GJ gold. Gold, look, you can see this, you can see guys, this retracement going to 1694, 1692. If it keeps this momentum, like a retracement from this level, it's better, and you can see it upstairs. Before actually buying gold before 1687 wasn't at all a good idea for me. I see here someone was asking me like, he bought at 1693. Hassan, what's the reason you bought at 1693? If you can send this trade, it will be great. GA is moving. Yes. Yeah, it's a good study. If it breaks below this, you have almost here clear traffic. Be careful for these shadows. Be careful for these shadows. USD formed head and shoulder 4 hour, made a retest. GU 4 hours. GU 4 hours. Small head and toes. Here, this you mean head and shoulder. Let's go into the 1 hour chart. It will be better. Here, let's take this. Just let us here a bit focus on this. After we will get this. Wait. I think we will have a good buy opportunity in few. Blue, can you turn $600 to 1 million in 1 year? Actually, I doubt. This is not the way we work, of course. We work like a 5 to 10%, maximum 15% per month. So this gives maybe 100% as a return if we keep the same path for full year. But making $600 to 1 million a year, this is not the way we work. If for a reason or another we could make it, it's perfect, but so far no. For me, it's more like gambling. Wow. No support here. Just see. If you go into this mindset in the business, like making $600, 1 million, if this is your mindset in trading, I'm afraid it's really wrong. It can blow your account. It can blow your career in this business. So your mindset must be having a better return. For example, like any business, if for example you build an online business like drop shipping, or you have a store online and you are selling, because like you don't have like so much cost, initial cost to start. It's only online, like there's no physical place, there is no electricity bills, there are no things that you must pay for. Like you can make a return, for example, 100% or 50%, 70%, not 10%. Oh, if you find something that's making for you like 100%, 120%, that's perfect. But thinking of a business that will make in 1 year, and you can calculate $600 to $1 million, how much percent it can, I don't know, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000%. What's your expectation? And that's why if you read my ebook, which is 5 ways to boost your financial future, it's for totally free, guys. You can download it, you can have it. When I say set realistic return, yeah, rate of return, or realistic return on investment, so this means realistic based on what are you trading with, or what's your business. So actually, this is not the right mindset to start in this business. Come on, Dow. This is not the retracement I want for the Dow. Gold. GU. Okay, we're checking here, GU. Yeah, I know, I know. YouTube, just financial and copy your trade strategy, we don't make 50%. Almost like this, like we had a record already online from 1 November till now. Uh, Around in currencies, around like 36% was a drawdown of 10%. And in Dow, in 2 months, we started like 1 February till now, we had good results. Like we had like 30% almost. Both of them are around 50% in 5 months, which give us like around 10% per month. But always make sure to check on a yearly basis. This is the consistency. Check on a yearly basis how much you can make on a yearly basis, and then you can see. So you are with us. You are checking for. I don't know what's your name exactly because it's YouTube low, but you are with us. You can keep watching every day our live stream and checking what we are doing, and you can see the result. Now we are finalizing finally with Royal, because my live account is on Royal. The uh, the Dow micro lots for small accounts, and then all the Dow trades will be done on this account, so we can see again this account moving up. I had to stop, like, of course, not trading in Dow for the last 2 months on this account. Uh, I kept this account at 36 level, 36%. Mainly because my focus is on the US 30 for the last 2 months. But this is not the move we want. I don't know. Here, for me, there wasn't that big support. We had a small support, but I wouldn't go for a buy for it, of course. Like, let's wait and we will see the Dow moving up again. This is my first buy level, 33,060. Look, first you have to find which kind of vehicle you need to make you money. If you can see, like, you can make money by trading Forex, like US 30, like gold, like we do, like uh, currencies, and you are making money. At the end, your ultimate goal is to make money. So then you can move to crypto, you can move to stocks, you can move to any other place. The first place, the first way, the first target you should have is to make money through something proven, in which you can make money, in which you are surrounded by people who can help you in this, or community who can help you in this. This is the way I think, actually. And then making this money, securing yourself making money, then you can move to any kind of investment you would love to do with the profit that you are making. GBP USD. Euro still moving down. I'm in this trade in euro. Actually, I sent it when I went into it into 4 hours. I sent it today to Raja stream. This is why it's here. I sold, and now I will reduce my stop loss to this level, the entry. So it's 33. Okay, Dow, come on. This is your move. This is the move we are waiting for. GJ is moving down again. I think it will hit this 151.37, but we need Dow to hit now 33.59. And this candle is great. If it keeps moving down, it will be perfect. 27 seconds left. Yes. Now the best scenario is in the next candle to open and keep moving down without a wick. It will be our best scenario. Not moving that up now, come on. Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's see. She's tracing, gold is tracing. Okay. My first trade, I traded my first trade. I'm in US 30, half lot, the first trade, waiting for the full lot and the second trade if it hits back down. Okay, and hopefully it will go down, full down, before it retraces. Let's see. Oh, whoa, 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 perfect. Perfect, perfect. Whoa. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. I will keep it. I will keep it. I will keep it so far. So, closing the trade. Now I close the trade. Our first winning trade, guys. We entered like 33,044.35 and closed the trade at 33,056.25. We made like 12 pips. 12 pips in this first trade. Okay, my second buy will be at this level with a full lot. First trade successful. Okay, when I saw that it didn't go up the way I want, I closed the full trade. I secured my profits and I closed the trade. Now I'll be waiting the second one, the second buy. If it moved down, this will be a good support level. I hope it will reach this level. So guys, did you have this trade? If you had this trade and it's profitable, you can press the like button. People in this community, of course, I doubt Ahmad did not go into this trade. If he's with us, I don't know. Yeah, I think he is. Uh, it kept up, kept moving up. Let's see. To see how the market sometimes is beating us. Like from the first time, I was waiting to have this retracement up. It didn't do it. It just stopped. This is why I closed the trade. First, it's a half lot, and then after retracing down and moving down below the price, now it's retracing all the move up. But that's okay. Guys in the community, did someone take this trade? George, perfect. Sarah, I took it 12 pips. Perfect, Sarah. Superwoman in trading with us. Adil, yes. Hamza, yes. Perfect. Rodrigue, never mind. Next time. Hopefully this is not a reversal. It will keep moving. Hopefully it will keep moving down. And oh, this is a rejection. This is a rejection. Ah, damn. Like because we trade first time. Look what happened. We entered the first time. It hit like here, for example, here, and then it stopped here. It did like stagnation. So I thought that we will move down again, and it was the right decision. So I closed the trade. It moved down again to this level where we initially bought, and then moved up. This move, I wanted to keep this trade for this move as a runner. And now it's doing this. Oh my god. Look, GJ moved this all this way down, by the way. Damn, you assertive. This was a reversal candle. Okay, the nice part is that we are hitting these supports line, and we are having like good trades. But the bad part that when we decide to keep runners and then the market move down again, and you are in half lots, not full lots. That's okay, but we already have our first profits. Oh, that's okay. You know this all this move from here, we hit it like sniper entry. It was 60 pips so far, 60, 40, 60 pips so far we should have. Because I was planning to keep it as a runner. I didn't want to close it. Oh, and this gold, as we said, It's a reversal always also. So it should hit again, like if we retrace like 38% from this down to 38, we should retrace to 1693. 1693 for gold. We can see this level. Oh, also it hit exactly the support. GJ, GBUSD, gold. Gold also, I think it will keep moving up to 38.2. Also, this is a bullish candle. Also, it's a bullish candle. So maybe now it's forming like a shadow, and if it keeps like if it moves like above 1688, it should move to 1692. Let's see. Okay, we took our trade so far. It's good, but I think like now if it doesn't retrace from this trade and it creates like this shadow, most probably breaking this high 33,127, we will move to 33,165. We have biggest probability to move up. George, euro dollar. Oh, perfect entry. Perfect. Perfect trade. I closed my euro also now. Perfect trade. I closed it. Actually, I thought it was going to 117.01 and it will keep moving down, but I closed it here when the market was moving up again. Let's see the Dow. The Dow, I think breaking this level 33, it will break it up. It's moving up. 33,106. GJ, same here. Gold still retracing. Now it hits first 23.6%. I still believe Dow is moving up. Ali, gold. Buy 1687, stop loss 1683, and to keep moving up to retrace from this level. Entry if candle breaks above the shadow. If it breaks above 1689, I think. Yep. Actually, we had a good hit here for the Dow. It was a perfect sniper entry. Our first trade. Let's see. Gold. I don't know if most probably gold ends up with with its shadow, but we will make sure of this when we break this level 1688.50, 1688.50 to reach 1692. Still here and here. Today the market is not like moving that big. We could have this first trade, but it wasn't like enough. Okay, let's see. Here, the market is moving. The US 30 is moving down again. Is it like it was like just a retracement and it's moving down? We will see. Personally, I prefer to see the US 30 moving down to this level again, 33,033. Of course, on your make sure to put it like for because it differs like 20 pips on the US 30 as on your broker. Here, 33,090. Yes, it differs like 15 pips, 20 pips. It depends on the broker. Okay, but mainly as a cash index, this is the nearest one. I will be watching this break for GJ. This level is important. This level is important. We have a good price range, like 13 pips. We have a clear traffic at this level. Here also, here also, here also. Usually it should be flexible. Let's see. Okay, are we moving down? Let's see the session. Okay. It's moving up again. Good. Not a very good sign so far on the 30-minute and 50-minute, especially if it breaks the slope. For the second time also, GJ hit the support and it's moving up. Actually, like trading, guys, it's like hunting. You have to be patient. You have to be patient for the perfect, or not the perfect, but the best opportunity in the market. Some people are really like, oh, the market is not moving that way. Okay, today there's nothing, and then they close their session, and the market goes in the same direction they wished it went before. So that's why you must be patient. Sometimes, like you wait like 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, and then you have your hit. At the end of the day, it's not about how much trade we do. It's about the profit we make in these trades. Look, all these uh, all these clear traffic. I don't know why I have this feeling this time when it hit, we will take it and then it will reverse up. We will have all the confirmations needed. Look. We'll have all the needed confirmation, but then, oh, let's see. Hmm. Oh, down. Okay. Now do whatever you want, but stop ranging. Move up, move down, fast, slow, but move. Look, this is. And look, for example, it hits the target of this rectangle, knowing that when it breaks like here, it went up again. Okay, not to the stop loss, but here you have to have this like this question. So how much am I ready to hold my trade? DJ now is moving in this small what I was out here, this small range between this resistance and this support. Let's see if it will break one of these. Dow is moving up again now. Okay, I think we have to wait a bit. So the market like takes like a certain move. Hopefully it will be the US 30 moving like for this level and this level. We have for me we have three great levels. This level is not that good, that big. You can try a sell on this level, but it's not like this solid for me. But due to volatility, might be a good sell opportunity. Maybe I will try a half lot if we reach this level, 33,167. The best part, by the way, because someone was asking me, how do you know that the Dow will not make huge moves like 1000 pip? Actually, this is one of the reasons, by the way, why I usually wait a big move up or down. Yeah, big move when we say not less than 200 pips, okay? And a 100 pip 50 or 200 pips, if the market is so volatile, I wait like 200, 300 pips before I go into the full lot. While in a market like yesterday and today, where we have no big news, where we have no volatility, when the market is so quiet, like, and we see that it's ranging most of the time, I wait a small move, but small one-time move. For example, like moving down like 100 pips in one 15-minute candle, it's enough for a small retracement like 10, 20 pips, okay? It will be perfect. If the market is moving so fast, okay, of course, if we have big news happening like the coronavirus, like things like this, I stop trading on Dow. I wait until we have a clear vision. But if we have like big move, let's say we have 1,000 pips down. At this level, if you go after 200, 300 pip for your first buy, even if will keep moving down, you will have your small retracement. So you can close it at 20, 30 pips. Or if you see that it's moving down more and more, and you hold your buy without stop loss. With stop loss, it's perfect. Without a stop loss, you will have, for example, if you go into 0.01 and the market moves suddenly, like 200 pips, 300 pips down from your $1,000 account, if you are trading 0.01, that low is the risk we are working on Dow, but counting on the number of trades. So if you go into 0.01 the first time, so for the next 200 pip, it will be like only $20. $20 from $1,000 account, which means you are risking only 2%. If you take your second buy at 0.01 and it moves 200 pips, 100 pips, so you'll have like $20 and $40, which means 6% drawdown. But you have now a move of first 200, then 200, then 200, 600 pips on Dow. And you have just a 6% drawdown. And then you go into the third buy. Of course, I'm saying about, and I doubt to go 1,000 pips without a retracement on 5 minutes. But, and I didn't saw this before easily happening. Okay, so all your drawdown can reach, like we always said, maximum of 20%. If your account's drawdown is maximum 20%, you have to hedge it all. Hedge it all, and then when you see the market moving up fast or moving up again, you leave your hedge. So hedge, which means you sell against your buy in this example, in the example that I'm giving. Okay, but this is a scenario where the market is moving like 1000 pip one way with no retracement to your account. During this move down, if you are stuck in the first trade or the second trade, the third and fourth, sometimes you don't have to wait like it equals it all. When you see the market moving up down sharply, and then it moves up, you can close your first trade, and then you can close your second trade, and then when it reaches the first one, you can close. So at this point, you will be managing to have profits in your account. For example, you are making like I don't know, $20 profit, but you have drawdown of $40. So once your drawdown move to $20, you can close it all with zero loss and profits. You use this profit to close this loss, and then you start again, because this scenario, the scenario that I'm talking about, usually it happens once or twice in 3-4 months. Okay, so you already have profit in your trades, and you can risk a bit from this while trading. But the most important part, the rule of the 20% of your account, never, not just initial capital. If you have profit, for example, if you started with the $1,000 account and it's now 1,500, so the 20% is not on $1,000, it's on 1,100, 1,500, so it's 300. So your account must not go below $102,000. Sorry, $1,200. So you are still profitable, but you manage your 20% in worst case scenario. When I talk about 20%, this is in worst case scenario. And usually we don't hit this, usually. But in all cases, you can do this, because once you focus on your trade, on other trade, without like doing some revenge trade, you will be able to have the 10% and 20% again easily. Okay, so let's see. GJ broke this level. 15-minute candle, we still have 8 minutes. I don't know if it will reach it like one time without even this is an impulse trade. Actually, I wouldn't go into a sell in this, even if it will hit the target. I prefer to see where this candle will close. If it closes like here, okay, missed trade. But usually, I always prefer close here, shadow and moving down, or close here, shadow up and moving down. This is preferable to go into better confirmation and better trade.
Also, Abdullah, the candle formed without doing an upper shadow. So it's double risk, no shadow.
Yes.
And 1%.
Yes, we didn't have here shadow, but the idea is that we have also a break of the support. But of course, as you are saying, like I always wait the confirmation by closing below this support.
Yeah, we might take this trade if we might sell GBY if the candle closed like this and break the current candle wick.
True. For example, imagine we took this trade at this level 151.32, and it hits like 151.27, 5 pips, and now it's on our entry. How confused we will be. Like closing this at entry, will it close and move up again, and then it will move down? Maybe it will move down, but going into this uncertainty, okay, let's wait. Let's wait. I think Dow will move down to our level. You are waiting this trade. Let's see. One minute 15. Actually, the best scenario that this 1 minute keeps moving down. I need this 1 minute to keep moving down to this level. It will be perfect. And I will buy a bit above this level. And I won't wait it to hit this level exactly. because usually come on. I love how hard it is to hit our support. And it goes down like this way, this way. Oh my God. It moves so fast when it's going up. It moves so fast when it's going down. Once it's near from our entry point, it becomes slow and start retracing and oh my God. This is why I wouldn't easily take a sell on GJ. Oh my God, come on. What support at 3045? There's no support here. There's no like real support at this level here, maybe, I don't know. It's so funny. We needed like, look how fast it is moving up. Look how fast it is moving up. But moving down to this level, like, oh, 44, 35, like 10 pips. We needed like this, even less than 10 pip. I would take it like here, as I told you. The thing ICD is good trend signal to build strategy. Actually, Muhammad, no, I don't really rely on MACD, knowing that there is a lot of traders who use it, but I don't really trade on MACD, not even on moving average. Okay, so but to be honest with you, many traders trade using MACD. I didn't find it like convenient for me. Look what a move. Look what a move for Dow. This is the second time I was waiting this. It was a very important support line to get this buy and keep a runner. Damn. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look, it's like 80 pips, 80 pips in 5 minutes. 80 pips in 5 minutes. And that's why I was telling you I want to buy at this level. This level is really important. For example, here there is like, there's something like here, so it's C34. We have here one, we have these. There's something. I don't know here. What support it is 33,045. I can't see it like a support here. Okay, 33,050. No worries. It's a mistrade. Let's see GJ. No, of course we can sell now on GJ because as I was afraid of this trade because it breaks, as also Ali said, we don't have a shadow, we don't have a wick in this candle at this level. At the same time, sharp move down, no confirmation. I would love to see like this close at this level. This level, it close about 51.30, then small shadow up, and then if the GJ was moving down, so we will go down. And this is what I was saying also, like we have many clear traffic here, but I feel it will hit half of the target and then move up. Also, always it moves like this. I don't know actually if Dow will move down again, but we had an amazing chance here. Gold. The buy probability it's still there if we break this level. Go up the fastest possible. Go up US30 because we didn't buy here. If we bought at this level, it will stay here. Go up. Yeah. Faster. Yes, Ahmed. Yes, no way. By the way, Ahmed, did you take like the first trade? Yes. Okay, perfect. And I sell when the market open. Also perfect. Let's see the 5-minute candle. Actually, if it goes like to this level, I will miss this first sell and I will wait for the second one. So far, it's a big move up. They took a buy and closed it early on 13 pips. Yes, I know this was okay. We closed this because it moved down again. It was good. But this one, guys, with this one was a very good buy opportunity here. And actually, يعني, I was like almost 80% sure if we take this buy, because it was a full lot here, I would take it, as I told you. If we take this buy here, then the market will, then of course, I will close half lots on like 20 pips and keep the runner with a stop loss at entry. So it was expected to go this way up, but we had to take this trade. That's okay. Oh, and GJ moving up. That's why, guys, I didn't sell GJ. You must be careful for this. US30, yes, it made like small double bottom. But after all this move up, I wouldn't really buy for this. But here, yes, we have like a small double bottom, like a W. Okay, it's moving up. I will get ready for my first sell if it hits the first support. And it will be half lot, not full lot, because the second one, the best one will be above. This is how we move from the buy to the sell. Okay, if this is double top, yes, it will be perfect. Let's see. Gold is getting ready also to break 1688. Let's see on the 15-minute candle. Oh, we are at the beginning of this 15-minute candle, so we still have time. Oh, this should be a good support level. Sorry, resistance level. The first one here. Then actually the second one should be here before we reach here. The second one is this level. Let's see. So far, we have a move from 33,070 to 180, so it's a 100 pip move. $84 and $90 also It was far away, just 6 pips to have like a 20 pip run from our sell. It was for just 6 pips. So it's hitting us from down and upside. Thanks God we have our first winning trade when the market opened. It was 12 pips. Let's put this here. US 30 so far plus 12 pips. Only one trade. Only one trade so far. Missing the 100 pip. And even this, guys, look, it was moving so fast up. It was amazing. Then it did shadow and moving up. Like it was far away, only 6 pips. And now from this level, it moves 30 pips down. Hopefully this candle will keep moving up without a shadow down to 33,190. Okay, GJ reversed. GJ reversed. GJ reversed. That was the danger selling GJ at this level. Especially, guys, after all this move down from 151.68 to 27 without retracement, it was a bit risky. Let's see if GJ will move up. We need this move up without retracement. For me, the worst scenario is what's happening now if it keeps moving down and it retraces. Damn. Okay. Here we were so close from the sell, it didn't give us the sell. Here we were so close from the buy, it didn't give us this buy. But that's okay. This is called the financial markets. Welcome to the financial markets. Sometimes it hits exactly, but some other times it didn't. Actually, guys, let me tell you something. This Friday and Monday, we won't have a live stream. I will be off for Friday and Monday. Okay. Took the sell on US 30. Nice, Rodrigo. Nice, nice. So risky, but got excited. I know, look, normally in the normal life, I got excited too. So not that excited, of course, not the same. But of course, here like I had take half lot and then the half lot above. So before it hits, because most of the time it's doing the same. Like there is a support, for example, it's retracing on minor support, not look, for example, here it retraced on this support. If we check exactly, look, this support, it retraced on this support, like this small support at this level. And here the second time. So it's so minor. This sorry, resistance now it's so minor, but look, it hit it exactly and retraced at this level. So sometimes, like Raja says, it is what it is, guys. Here it's a minor, super minor support. Even I didn't see like it's support here, but I don't know. Elio, I took the first US 30 buy and forget to close it. And then I closed it at plus 53 profits. Thanks. La, nice. Amazing, Elio. Amazing. Sometimes forgetting is good, but sometimes you have to be careful. It can be harmful, okay? So make sure not to forget a lot. Because this time was profitable for you. Next time, you never know. So is it now forming a support line at this level? You'll have to check if this will maintain at a support level. If now this is a retracement and it keeps moving up, then it will be a support formed. Or else if it keeps moving down, this means that it will hit the support level again. It will keep moving down, it will keep moving down to 33,123. Most probably it will move down, but here, of course, it's a small range to sell at this level. Ah, yes, thanks a lot. This live stream daily, we need it. You're welcome, Elio. I mean, why are we working on the smaller time frame? Because this is scalp. When you trade on scalp trade, of course, in the community or the trade or the program, we talk about 4 hours daily. It's like it's like medium and long term trade. It's like not scalp. What's the other thing? The other thing. It's like I forgot the swing trade. So when you talk about swing trade, you go up a bit with the time frame, with your time frame. So working on 4 hours and daily, we have this trade during the year, like we have, for example, like GBP, JPY before, it did like this double top, this big double top before, like on 4 hours. We had this double top and it hits the target. Look, this was top, double top here, and it breaks, it retraced at this level of the double top, and then it kept moving down. So this, for example, long term, as a medium to long term time frame, you take, for example, your trade here at 156, you close at 149.41. This is 100 pip, 110 pip. Okay, so sometimes you work on the higher time frame, sometimes you work on the lower time frame. For me, when trading the US 30 or scalping during the live US 30, which is the Dow, and GJ, we work on the lower time frame. Like Dow, it's for 5 minutes, 15-minute maximum, and GJ for 15, 30 minutes, like this. So it depends whether it is an index or a currency, and if you are scalping or swinging. Swinging, it's a long-term trade. For example, today I took a trade like on euro dollar for 30 pips. It was like not real scalp, it was on 4 hours. It hit it like in 1 hour. It depends. تعطي كورسات إذا إيه بليز فيك تعطيني تفاصيل. Yes, of course, we have our program, Forex Mastery program. It's based on the medium and long term, 4 hours daily, weekly. Now I'm adding these on live stream because you have to know the support, the resistance, the Fibonacci. And during the live stream, we practice this and we move down to lower time frames. There is something. Okay, so we won't be really talking about the program now. Here you are on the live stream, but if you have any question, you can contact our team on WhatsApp and they can answer all your questions and give you all the details that you want. Let's see here. Now, okay, it's moving down again, by the way. It's reversing. Look, Dow also broke this support. Now making a shadow, and if we break, if the US 30 breaks again below 33,114, we should have a clear traffic to the low. Let's check this GJ move again. Okay, so far for today, we have one trade. We did one trade on US 30, 12 pips. We're still waiting for another opportunity. Actually, we missed two amazing opportunities. One on the buy, one on the sell. The buy was amazing. We missed like around 100 pips. Let's see if it's a wick fill. If it's a wick fill to 151.26, we will see. We will see. So actually what's good so far that you are having a consistent record so far, like from 1 November, the day 2 November mainly, 2nd of November, the day we started our live stream in public till now, a good around 10% monthly, which is perfect. And like every day, if you go into this live stream, and I think many people are started to go now, our plan and from now till the next year to have to grow this community so big, like people are having some benefit or profits from trading with us. So our target is to see like our account growing consistently up. Okay, and hopefully with our community and all of you guys, you will see this and you will have like profitable journey in our streams. Look, I think here like it's retracing. Look, this can be the support line, the main support line of the double bottom. Let's see if it's the place where Dow or US 30 will retrace, or it is just another shadow up, and you might see the market moving down again. So far, let us like resume or like give a briefing from this day. So far, after 1 hour 20 minutes. The market is like it's not like having like good volatility or big volatility. So mainly the market is swinging at this time. We didn't have like this rundown, this big rundown. Here we just broke this rectangle. The market went down after hitting the take profit at this level, or after hitting the take profit of the rectangle. It was a support line at the same time. We took our first buy. This is after the opening, like 15 minutes after the market opening. We took this take profit, and then we took this trade as a buy. It went up. I was planning to keep it like more, but it stagnate at this level, started to move down again. We closed the trade at 12 pips. We secured 12 pips. And then the market went down again here, and it had its move up. Let's see now if it will keep moving up. The second buy, by the way, we were waiting this level. It was a very good support level at this level. Look, 1, 2, 3. We were waiting like this buy 33,035, but it was like 10 pips away, and the market bounced back 10 pips up. We couldn't take this buy. We were again waiting the sell at this level 33,189, which is a very important resistance level, but also like 5 pips away, the market retraced, and we couldn't take the sell again. Our studies are being really good, but sometimes this is the market. We have to take it as it is, and sometimes it will hit our orders, buy or sell, and will blow up or grave down. But so far, for today, it did not. But we are still profitable, and this is something. This is the most important. Like yesterday, we were profitable. Today, we are profitable. Last week was an amazing week, as our community saw this, and people following us on YouTube, they saw this. Now, let's see. US 30. Sorry, GJ is breaking this support again. Gold also is moving again down. 8 minutes to go. This 8-minute close will be, for me, important, very important, because if it closes in this range, okay, in this range, like this 5 pips, 6 pips range, at the 30-minute candle, it opens, it retests the resistance line, and then start moving down below this level. So here we can have a 17 pip range. Of course, we have this level we must be careful about, but this is a minor support actually. This is not that minor, but let me see. This is 7 pips range. We must be careful. So if we hit the 7 pip range and the market start to move up again to our entry point, then we have to close the trade. If it breaks this and goes into 10 pips, we secure half lot, stop loss at entry. If it keeps moving down, it will be perfect. So we'll have to see. Let's see Dow, US 30. Also 1 minute 35 seconds. This close also is important because it will be closing like below the support line. But we still have 1 minute 26, and you know Dow in 1 minute 26, what move can he do? He does. He does. One minute. Let's see. Eighteen seconds. Shadow. If it goes down from this level, it will be a good sell opportunity, but a risky one if we don't have a shadow up, like here, like a retest. Because your stop loss should be at 33, 129, and like you will have like almost 25 pips as a stop loss. But if it does like a shadow here, it retraced at this level, it will be much better. And I don't have problem missing the sell, by the way, but I don't want to miss this buy. And hopefully if this time the US wanna go, they wanna move down, let's move to this level, 33,035. This is my level. Gold again down. GU again down. Actually, our GU, we are still in this GU trade, guys. It's profitable. Our sell on GU is profitable so far again. So hopefully we'll keep moving down. I don't want to say we have a good news, but let's wait for the next week so we can see if we'll have finally our micro lots on US 30 and Royal. So we can do all our Dow trade on our live account, our live trading account. Two minutes left. In this 2 minutes and a half, will it break this support or it will wait here, open a new shadow up and then move down? Actually, I wish not to break the support line in this 2 minutes, just to wait a confirmation and then small move up and then we can sell down. But it doesn't seem like listening to us. Whoa, 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 GJ. 'This is when we call GJs crazy. Unfortunately, guys, we are working in very low today, especially today. Hopefully tomorrow won't be the same, but we are working in a very low volatility. Except this trade, wow, it was amazing, this one. Let's hope that the volatility was the US session moving on will be better. Look, ooh. Gold, GU, euro dollar, the best scenario. It's moving completely different from. Yeah, some people ask me like, why do you just focus on GU, GJ, gold, and Dow? Simply because I understand how these currencies works at some point, especially when it comes to scalping. Other currencies, you need like people who needs to work on EU, for example, they must focus on EU so they can see how it works. For example, like this wasn't hard. Our system, like when we give our system during the course, it's simple. So here, if you get like this triangle pattern, and after having this triangle pattern, descending triangle, you can just project that the market will move down. And someone like, I think George or someone like sold this, and this is the full target. Okay, 75 of the target, it's okay to close it at 75 of the target. Your stop loss is here, you are selling at this level. So normally, our system works for any kind of trades. But when I go into scalping and on 5 minutes and 15 minutes and 30 minutes, for me, I need to focus on two pairs maximum that I can understand. Okay, like, and the other two pairs depends on the market how it's moving. Most probably will keep moving down with GJ. Most probably, like it seems like its trend is defined at some point. Actually, if I see GJ moving down like the same move, look this 30 minute, if it will keep moving down like a big candle 30 minutes for 151, for me it will be a place to try a sniper entry buy on GJ. But we need this move down. Dow is really lacking a lot of volatility. Look, all this move from our session, from the start of our session, it's ranging in this level. This is the range, only. GJ. Gold. Also, gold is moving in sideways. Let's see till when. Sometimes, guys, we wish our strategy, or how do you see, our vision for the market hit, or our study for the market hit, and it doesn't happen like always. So we must be like thankful for the trades we took, the no loss we had, especially this no loss we had. Even if it's small profit, but it is a profit, it's a consistent profit that will create your months, your week, your your months, your I don't know, your year. So small progress will lead you to profits, to big profits. And this is what the mindset that you should have while trading. It's almost clear that we lack in volatility. I don't know if during the session after we close our live stream, for example, 7, 8, 9 p.m., the US market will regain its move. Normally, it's like in the first 30 minutes, 1 hour, and at the end. I don't know if it will gain again this move, but so far, This is it. Actually, we had like very good opportunities. First buy, we had an opportunity for second buy, third sell, 3 big trades. Should have been like an amazing day in profit, but again, it is what it is. No big moves, nothing big so far. Market is ranging. Super ranging. Like someone paused the market. They clicked pause. Guys, if you have any study, any question, feel free to ask it also so we can check. See. Will we see this moving down now? Let's hope it's through Egypt banned Bitcoin and trading in it. Oh, no idea. No idea about this. Let's see by the way Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Gaining back up. This was a fake break here with a retest. It went down as it happens with us. Now look, sell, retest, and then it was going down. So people who sold like 51,700, of course they have to secure stop loss at entry because it moved down. If it moved up again, hitting 58, 859. Visa started accepting checkouts with crypto. Yes, I heard something like this. I couldn't confirm it. So it was a positive news for Bitcoin. Perfect. Perfect. If Visa is look, actually, believe it or not, people started to think like I do. For example, now Bitcoin, we use it as a payment solution. So of course, it's also value reserve. It increased the value, and maybe it will go to 100K. But at least it's like another currency so far. Many are accepting Bitcoin as a payment solution. So when you accept Bitcoin as a payment solution, then this means that more people are using Bitcoin, especially when they don't wish to go into bank transaction or go into like the hard way, as they they call it. Ethereum has more potential now because on NFTs. Yep, maybe. Wow, wow, so bad. The market is so bad. Actually, I might call it a day. I might call the day with this trade. We are profitable. It's good, not bad. But the market is really having some bad volatility moves. Look, no, just Bitcoin. Just Bitcoin. But easy if you trade like Bitcoin on Binance, for example, and if you have Bitcoin, you can exchange it. If you have, for example, Ethereum or something else, you can exchange it on Binance or any exchanger and send it back as a Bitcoin. Look, imagine now US 30, 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes, 20 minutes with this, it's almost 15. We are in the same range, same small range, by the way, around only 20 pips. TG moving up again. If you want to invest in crypto, buy cheap one and forget it. Yes, this is very important. Actually, well, I said it before. I don't, now, of course, it's too high Bitcoin, but if you are using Bitcoin as a payment solution, you don't think about these details. Of course, as you said, if you want to invest, you have to find cheap coin, and cheap coin, but being like potential coin, not any kind of coin, because there's a lot of coins and cheap coins, and even they are now to sell more cryptos, as it is now the boom of the crypto because of the Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano, I think. Yes, I think, I don't know. So many new like companies are just like saying, okay, you can now invest in crypto. Now our coin is so low as the cost, but it has a potential of moving from 0.10 to $5 in the next 2 years. So get it now and you will have like 5,000% result. So people, because they are new in this industry, especially in when it comes to crypto, yeah, let's go. They start investing, like they put $1,000, $2,000, waiting for this 1 year or 2 years. It's like penny stocks. We get into like the penny stocks, these shitty stocks that people buy. The idea of these stocks are low cost, and then they buy it, then the company closed. Also, the coin is the same. For example, let me give you an example. I can create, for example, the FS coin, Forex based coin. And then, so I just accept FS coin. So people will exchange to FS coin, saying a potential that once the community is growing, and this is a good project, by the way, but once the community is growing, then the coin will be more valuable, and then people buys FS coin. And once buy FS coin, and once, for example, if the Forex space closes, then this coin will disappear. It's like stock. Some companies are using cryptos as a stock. So here you have to be careful about these kind of coins. في فلوس Matei. Also, yes, there's Stay. You have Fulus. Also, it's a new exchange. He launched it, and every Wednesday there's a talk with the day. Yep, you can watch this talk also. So decide now, up or down. So bad. So low volatility. Actually, it was like the first hour. These three moves was the best. We could catch one move of these three, and then the market is ranging. Then now the market is ranging. Bitcoin. See you with that. It has been. Actually, at some point, I think this is it for today. Market. Wow, wow. What? Is this a US session? Well, look, sometimes it goes like this. Sometimes the European session, the London session, is so volatile. Sometimes it's not. Same for pre-US session, and same for US session. Not every day is a pure volatile day for the session that you are trading in. So sometimes it happens that the market is not that volatile. At least, and in all cases, we had our trade. We had a trade, and this is something good. Usually, people during a full day they trade, they overtrade, they make one trade, two trades, three trades, they win in one, lose in two. At the end of the day, they are losing. When you have a win, you can call a day. When you have two wins, of course, you can call a day. If you see market moving sharply and you have a lot of opportunities, okay, you can have some more trades. But having like a consistent record of winning days, even if you have 1 or 2 or 3 days where you lose, also you call it a day. And then you keep seeing your account growing in a consistent way. Actually, it's so confusing how to trade Dow now. Or actually, there's no trade now in the Dow. It's not just about confusion or not. There's no trade. Look, this craziness. What are these shadows? Whoa. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. You must do the trades with the opening and the closing of the session. Okay, with the opening of the session, we are doing Adonis, as you know. With the closing of the session, we can go like twice a day live. So closing of the session at the end, what I'm doing is educational. So people who are watching us on YouTube or in our community, you are more understanding how it works. You are more learning. And if you have questions, you can ask so I can answer. So you are more kind of learning uh, these. So if I'm live or not, you can execute these trades. So during the live, we are taking trades, we are making profit. You can call it a day, you can stop. If you see something during the closing that's really big, because like for example, last Wednesday, I think Wednesday it was, like in one day I did 5.2%. I didn't stop trading. I sent it to the community. The market was so volatile, the market was moving so fast, and we had many opportunities. I was like eager to get these opportunities. Of course, at some point I stopped, but we did like in one day 5.2%. This is something crazy normally. And be careful, in a safe way, not like increasing lots that big or something like this. No, it was safe because I was using the profits of the day as a stop loss to have more profit or to increase a bit the lot in such like secure trades at some point. So here you have to manage. What you are getting here is the minimum that you can get, especially people on YouTube. This is the minimum that you can get just if you go 2 hours a day. For example, let's take this as a rule. Some people are working full-time job all the day to have like, I don't know, small salary. Why not giving 2 hours per day, and if the market is moving big, 4 hours, like half, like a part-time job, to make much more money? So this is the I don't know, the arbitrage that you must be doing between having a job. Of course, you can have your job and trade at the same time. So it's a part-time. The beauty in this business is that you can treat it as a part-time. You are not really obliged to give it as a full-time. Yani like staring your eyes here on the screen for 10 hours because you want to be profitable. It doesn't make sense, and you don't need this. If you are a swinger, you put your trade, you put your stop loss, you put your take profit, you just follow up the trade to secure your take profit, to close half lot. For example, if your trade is about 100 pips profit, like the double top of the GJ last week, if you have like 100 pip profits, when you see like 20, 30, 40 pips profit, you close half lot, you put your stop loss on entry, and you resume your day. If you are working on daily and weekly, you sell what you sell, you stop loss, you put your stop loss, and then you continue your day, your life. This is for the swing part. For the scalp part, you don't need more than 2 hours per day, 3 hours per day. You get your trade, 1, 2, 3 trades. If you do half percent, 0.2%, like today, we did 0.2%. If you do a 5%, 0.5%, 1% daily, 1% daily for 20 days trading means 20% if you make it, if you can make it. If not, if you're making half percent on average, I'm saying on average daily, you are making 10% monthly. If you are, imagine if you are doing 0.25% daily, you are making like 5% monthly. 5% monthly, guys. This means more than what a bank can give you as an ROI, return on investment, for a full year, putting your money in a bank. Can you see how important this business is? Can you see how important these 2 hours or 3 hours are important? For just, I'm talking with serious people, because most people, if they see, for example, it's not working like for 1 day, 2 day, and this is why in our last traders talk, it was like never quit on a bad trading day, because everyone like can face a bad trading day, maybe a bad trading month. Some people, and I'm one of these people, I had it. You can face 1 year, one bad trading year. And it happens. But imagine you are trading for 4 years. You have 3 years of profitable trading and 1 year of bad trading. For example, if for 4 years, 3 years you are making 50% and 1 year you lost 50%, which means in 4 years your amount doubled by 100%. If you have 10K, you have 20K. If you have 100K, you have 200K. And this is what's investing in the market, even if you are trading on a daily basis or you are trading on a weekly basis. It doesn't matter if you are working, because sometimes people like oh, you are trading on 5 minutes. Okay, and so what? Oh, you are trading on daily or weekly, so it takes a lot of time. it doesn't, for me, I don't care about the time frame. I don't care about the pair. What I really care about is what is working with me, what is making money for me, what is growing my account consistently. If it's on 5 minute scalp or 15 minute or 1 hour or daily or 1 week, or if it's Eurocad or if it's US 30 gold, I don't care. What I really care about, am I making money or not? Am I being profitable or not? This is what I care about. And this is the mindset that any trader should have. And any trader should focus on this. Am I making money consistently? If you had a bad trading year, that's okay. Next year, you might have a better trading year. Just stop, hold on for a minute. Check, why did I have this bad year? Was it like I didn't give it enough time? Why I tried something different, a different strategy? I didn't stick to my strategy? I don't know. Why? And then we try for the next year to make a difference, to change, to have a profitable year. It's not about like, oh, I've been in this business for 6 months, but I'm not making money. This business doesn't work. No, the business works. But what's not working? The way you are trading. Or there's something wrong happening with you. And this is what you have to check always. Okay. So goodbye volatility today. Goodbye volatility. Actually, I'm confused. If the Dow will go down to this level, maybe I will buy again to this level. I don't know if it will reach this level today. If I see like a big move down, like 5 minutes, moving down sharply to this level, I don't know. I think I will buy here if it moves. Actually, I don't know if it will go down. Okay, guys. Let's see. Look, oh God, oh my God. How hard it is to move down with the market. I don't know, even up so far, but that's okay. That's chill. We don't need to trade more than this. Hi, it's a red candle on daily. And so what? Yeah, and so what? It's normal. It's not a problem for us. As long as we are working on 5 minutes, the daily can be like crashing down. But, and this is, I don't work like daily on Dow now, but here we are working on retracement. Look, this is during the daily. This is during the daily. We had one buy, we could have the second buy was the biggest profit, like 80 pips, and during a down move, which is the daily. I'm still giving some hope for the market to move down. Let's see. And why I'm waiting this? Look, why I'm waiting for this? Because if this moves down, I think we will have some momentum, especially that we are 2 hours post New York Open. Let's see if we will see a move down the next 5-minute candle. Look, man, every down move is an opportunity to buy. How easy is it to reject up? Let's see. Let's see this 5-minute candle. Whoa. Please, one more shadow today. Oh my God. This day is full of shadows. Wow. The shadow days. Whoa. Like it took this support. Like the minor supports. It's tracing on the minor supports. No, today, Ahmed, it's not working. It's not working. I was happy, like, wow, the market is moving down. Why not sell in here? Look, it's not about just clicking sell, buy. Actually, look, all these shadows, يعني, I don't know يعني, how risky it will be for you to trade at this level. Of course, me, I won't do it. But look, يعني, after all this rejection to sell at this point, guys, you must be careful. Look, being careful is not something bad in trading. You know, many people are losing all their money or all their account while trading. Waiting for the right opportunity and being careful, being patient, that's not a problem. Like we had this day today, and it is a profitable day. Look for the positive side, even though it's a small profit, 0.2%. That's not a problem. Even if it is small profits, but it is a profitable day. You don't have to ruin your day while, okay, I have to trade, I have to go into this trade. Just keep it like it is. Tomorrow, it can be much better day for trading. Or if you see it like after 1 hour, 2 hours, moving sharply to this support, 33,035, you can get your buy. So you have something. Even if we are not during the live, you can get your buy. But the most important thing is not to over trade or to get like frustrated because you are not trading. That's okay. Not trading is better than trading and losing. Of course, the best option is to trade and win. But if there is no like clear and clean and how to say it, يعني confirmed trade, don't do it. Let's wait. I will wait for you. I will wait with you. And if we see like this move down, we'll start like half lot at this level, the same level we bought during our open. And if it moves down again, we will have the full lot below. Let's wait. Let's wait something confirmed. This is what you are learning here, guys. During this live stream, in this community, especially, this is what you are learning. You are learning that making money in this industry needs patience, needs confirmations, needs to trust your system. Be careful, gold buyers. Let's see now. Let's see. GJ is trying to move down again. And something good. Let's see the 4-hour candle. We have two big candles. Look at this 4-hour candle, how big it is. So that's why I think reaching this level, we will have a very good retracement up. So reaching this level and the second level, if like this 4-hour candle moves to these levels, I think after all this move down today, we will have a good retracement, like 100 pip at least between these two levels. And the difference between these two levels is no more than 40 pips. Look also how big this 4-hour support is. Yani, even if we go with a small drawdown, I have no problem. Look, this is a very important 4-hour level. I will keep it here, by the way, just for the next days. And hopefully it will reach it. Look, this one. This is a good support level. This. Takes a minute for the 50-minute candle to close. One minute for this candle to close. The best scenario is this 1 minute to keep moving down. I don't know how much it will keep moving down. I'm talking about the best scenario for me. I'm preparing for my first buy, half lot, especially after 40 seconds. If we are at the bottom of this candle, hopefully it won't retrace now, But if we are at the bottom of this candle at the end of this 30-second, it will be a nice try, but it doesn't seem like this. Today the market is not working the same way we want, but hopefully we will get to this buy opportunity. Okay, GJ is trying to move down again. Gold still, GU still. To be honest, it's a hard trading environment for this day. The market is super volatile, super no volatility. Volatile, it's different. Let's give a break for the market today. Yes, you can actually. At the end, even the 50-minute candle it's not done. I will wait this 5 minutes and then we can close and we can finish our live stream. If we didn't reach this buy, we can close our live stream in the next 3 minutes 40 seconds. Because with this low volatility, if it reaches again this support line, it will be a good buy opportunity. But so far, it doesn't seem it's close from doing this in the next 3 minutes. We need a miracle. And as we can see from this, we can understand at some point how hard the sell is on Dow. That's why I'm not that convinced in selling even here or here. We have a lot of shadows at this point, and these shadows do not convince me to sell. One minute left for this 15-minute candle, and it doesn't seem like moving down. Totally the opposite. So guys, for me, it's done for today. Hopefully you benefited from this session. Of course, not just in trading, but in the way, in the mindset, in studies, in the way that you are trading, especially in patience, having patience in trade. So it was a good session for me. Let's, as Ahmad said, let's give a break for let's give a break for the market today. Already we are profitable. We had profitable day. Oh, look at this 5 minute. Wow, it's now a reversal. So thank you for being with us for today. Tomorrow we will have another trading day, and hopefully it will be much better. Volatility will be much better, and the US Open will be better and better. So if you have any question, feel free to ask it right now before we close the session, because as I can see, the market reversed here.
Okay, Abdullah, again, last question. Zashi.
أكيد.
Do you advise buy limit?
Sorry?
Do you advise buy limit على US 30?
Actually, no.
Okay.
I prefer during scalping, or if you can put a buy limit, but
Short
with 10
stop
pips
loss.
take profit. You got my point?
Short stop loss.
And short stop loss, of course. Not that short, below this. If you are not in front of the market, but if you are in front of, because look, what I look in this trade or in scalping the Dow, the big moves, okay?
Yeah, okay.
So if it like if it hits
I will not do it. Just
but
just asking.
it reverses.
Say.
I'm explaining to you why I'm not doing it personally. I don't do it because if for example it hits this level, like 1 or 2 pips difference, it moves up again like 80 pips and then move down. Maybe my support was a bit wrong. It should be like more than 2-3 pips, and then it can move down and hit my stop loss. I prefer to see it in front of me. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you guys. Thank you for today. Hopefully